Once you've downloaded and installed the JeffConnect app, register and log in to your account. Click on Request a Visit. Select the patient and enter your height and weight. Confirm your phone number in case you get disconnected. You will be connected to the first available physician. Select your main health concern for the call and any other relevant information. Allow JeffConnect to access your location for a list of nearby pharmacies. Choose the pharmacy where you prefer prescriptions to be filled. Your payment info will be collected before the visit begins. Review the visit information. Check the box for consent to treatment and click Start Visit.